Good afternoon once again, my dear students. Our topic is going on pattern. Now, in the last question, I told you about the pattern, and this was the question, and I have already told you because there is the relation between two blocks. Okay, here you can see this block, this one is touching these two blocks, no? So that's why here is the relation between this and this. So when we will add this one, okay, 10 plus 20, you will get what? 30. You will get 30. And when you will add here the relation between this block, this one and this one, and you will get 20 plus 30, what you will get? 50. Okay, so and this block relation with these two blocks. Okay, so what will be the answer? 80. So now here this was the question we have completed. Now here is a problem. Here is a problem before us. This is the block here, okay, and this one, okay, and this is sharing the boundaries with this block. Okay, so now according to this pattern we have to follow it, okay, and give the answers. Okay, now we will give the answer. This was an example. This was an example. Now this is the question for you. This is the question for you. Okay, you have to solve it. So how you can solve it? I told you these two numbers, when we will add, it will give the new number, and new number will go to the this block. Okay, 2 plus 1, what you will get? 3. Now here you can see, now second block, here this 2 and this 3, and sharing the boundaries with this block. Okay, so when we will add these two numbers, so what you will get? You will get 5. Okay, and we will write in this block. Like this also, when you will add these two numbers, 4, 3 plus 4, so you will get 7. When you will add these two, 4 plus 5, 9. Okay, so I hope it is clear for you. Okay, now like this. Now first this row is completed. Okay, now second row, same rule, because the topic is pattern. Now we have to follow the same pattern. Okay, now here also 3 plus 5, because this block, the sharing its boundaries with two blocks. Okay, so 5 plus 3, 8, and 5 plus 7, this 2, 12, and we will add these two. So what you will get? You will get 16. Okay, you will get 16. I hope it is clear for you. Now here what will come here? Now pause this video and give the answer. Okay, yes, your answer is correct. 8 plus 12, 20. And what you will get here? You can stop this video and you can try your answer. Yes, your answer is correct, 28, when we will add these two numbers. Okay, now next one, last. Okay, this block is sharing the boundaries with these two blocks. Okay, so we will add these two numbers. Okay, so what will come? 48. Yes, very good children, your answer is correct. 48 is the correct answer. Now in front of us one more question is there. Okay, and you can try this question. Okay, in the same way. You can try. Okay, now here this is 5 and this is 10. Okay, and this circle is sharing the boundaries with two circles. Okay, so that's why we will add these two numbers and you will get 15. Now one hint has already given, this one. Okay, it will help you to find the answer. Why? Because by this you can find out the pattern. Okay, but I have already mentioned you have to follow the same old pattern. Okay, so old pattern was you have to add 2 blocks. Okay, so now 10 plus 15, what you will get? 25. Now here also you will add 20 plus 15 and you will add it, what you will get? You will get 35. Yes, your answer is correct. Now this circle is sharing the boundaries with two circles. Okay, these two circles. Okay, so now you can add these two numbers. Okay, what you will get? 40. Yes, and when you will add these two numbers, so what you will get? Can you give the answer? Yes, your answer is correct. 60. I hope you got the answer. Now in the end one more column is there. Okay, this one circle. Okay, so you can pause this video, stop the video and try to find out the answer. Yes, so can you try this? Yes, I hope your answer is correct, because this circle is sharing its boundaries with two circles. So when you will add these two numbers, you will get 100. So yes, you got the answer. Okay, I hope you can understand the pattern and these type of questions you can solve in the future. Thank you.